good morning. We are going to go make breakfast now.
So I usually like to have a quick and easy breakfast, so I'm just starting out with some Dave's bread and peanut butter. Then I added 1 sliced banana. And of course, we need to put some cinnamon on there. And that is it for breakfast. For lunch, I am going to make some spring rolls with peanut sauce. So I'm just starting out with chopping up some purple cabbage. Instead of chopping up a carrot, I am using the peelings. It just fits better in the wrap. Now I am peeling the skin of a cucumber and then doing the same thing I did with the carrot, just using the peelings instead of chopping it up.
Okay, so I sometimes cook the tofu when I have like a lot of time and I can like add seasonings and stuff with that. But right now, today I am going to just put it in cold, raw, nothing on it. And I'm going to be making peanut sauce, so it'll still taste really good. The tofu already came cubed, but I'm going to cut it even thinner just so it fits in the wrap better. So whenever I do these rice rolls, I always kind of make a station so everything is ready. So basically, the rice rolls are going to go in this hot water. Then I'm going to bring it over here to fill all these fillings. Then I'm going to roll it up and then transfer it to this plate. Literally all of the spring rolls are broken, but I can still work with it.
In addition to all the vegetables and tofu, I'm also going to add some kelp granules, ginger, and also some seaweed and sesame seed sprinkle. So now for the peanut sauce, you can use normal peanut butter or peanut powder. Now I'm adding some red pepper, ginger, and coconut aminos. You can use water or some sort of plant milk and then just mix it up. I love this lunch so much. I definitely recommend it. It's so yummy and healthy and pretty easy too once you get a hang of wrapping up the rice rolls. And that is it for lunch. On to dinner.
It is now chili time. We are going to make chili for dinner. One thing I've always wanted to do is like cinnamon rolls and chili, because people say that it's like so good and it sounds really good, but I've never done it before. And I don't have cinnamon rolls right now, but yeah, maybe I'll do that sometime soon. But let's go make some chili now.
I'm going to start with chopping up some red potatoes just so they boil faster. The potatoes are boiling. I'm going to start preparing the other ingredients. So I'm chopping up a carrot and also some celery. So now the potatoes are soft and I'm just going to chop them up a little more. I have this huge can of kidney beans. I'm not using all of it. I'll put the rest in the freezer. Then I'm putting in 2 cans of chili starter, which is just some tomato puree mixed with some seasonings. Also, a whole box of vegetable broth, garlic salt, dried onion, cumin, chili powder, whatever other seasonings you want to put in. Now I'm putting in the chopped carrots and chopped celery, some frozen corn, and tofu. I added the potatoes near the end just because they don't need to be boiled any longer. Then I added the kidney beans. A little bit of cocoa powder can also taste good too in chili. Now I am just cutting up a slice of some Trader Joe's bread, and I'm also having a root beer. I also ended up adding some nutritional yeast and vegan cheese.
Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. I post quite a lot of food related videos, so if you like that type of thing, you should totally subscribe. And I also post a lot of other different types of videos too. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.